So the articulation point for ha is, it is one of the throat letters, one of the 6 letters of the throat letters. Okay. Okay, so if you see here, we know that the throat is divided into 3 parts. Okay, and that is the deepest part. So the deepest part of the throat, meaning the farthest from the mouth, that's the farthest from the mouth and closest to the chest. So the next is is the chest. Okay, that's the articulation point. And if you see here, in that case, if you see in her, the vocal cords are slightly open compared to another one, Hamza, that's kind of almost closed. So as the vocal cord remains slightly open, but it is pronounced from the deepest part of the throat. As the sound is and the letter is ha. Okay.